Hello everyone, and welcome to Arts and Crafts with Novakid. Are you feeling creative today? Do you like arts and crafts? What was the last thing you made? I made the little pig and the big bad wolf. Are you ready? Let's go! Here's what we need. Big paper plates, small paper plates, black marker, pencil, scissors, various paper colors, googly eyes, pipe cleaners, craft glue, paint, paintbrush, popsicle sticks. A paintbrush and paint. Remember, we always want to wash our paintbrush after we use it. Paint. We want to put the cap back on the paint. We just might knock it over and we don't want to make a mess. Take one big plate and paint it pink. Remember to cover all the white parts. That looks good. There we go. Take a small paper plate and make sure to cover it with pink paint. We don't want any white parts. Paint one big paper plate brown. We'll use this paper plate for our big bad wolf. Put it all aside and let it dry. Next, take pink cardboard. Take your ruler and a pencil. Draw ears for your little pig. Draw an oval-shaped snout. And take a ruler to draw legs. What are these? Scissors. Scissors are very sharp and we don't want you to get hurt. So remember, always take good care when using scissors. Take your scissors, be careful and cut out the ears. 1, 2 ears. Cut out the oval-shaped snout. And cut the legs. Good job. There we have everything ready for our piglet. Take the brown paper and draw 2 ears for the big bad wolf. There we have 2 ears. Cut out a snout and draw sharp teeth on the white cardboard for the wolf. Remember, we want to be careful with the scissors. Draw 2 black squares on the black paper. Take the googly eye and draw a circle. Cut it out. Good job, everyone. Take 3 different colors to make bow ties for the 3 little pigs. Yellow. Cut it out nicely. Orange. And a green bow tie. This is glue. Remember, we must always put the cap right back when we're finished using the glue. Glue dries easily, and we don't want our glue to be dry. Let's assemble the pig. Add some glue at the back of the small paper plate. Remember to add enough glue. Paste it on the big paper plate. Add some glue the back of one googly eye and stick it in the middle of the small plate. Take another googly eye and place it right next to it. Then we take the oval-shaped snout, add some glue and paste it under the eyes. Take your black marker and draw 2 oval-shaped nostrils for your pig. Color it in. There we go, good job. Add some glue at the bottom of the pig's ear. Take another ear and add glue. Paste it underneath the big paper plate. That looks good. Let's make the legs. 2 rectangles. Take 1 black square and paste it on the rectangle. Take another rectangle. Add some glue on the square, and there we have 2 legs. Next, we're going to paste our legs on the paper plate. Add some glue and paste it at the bottom of the paper plate. Take your bow tie, add glue, and there we have it. Now it's time to add the piggy's tail. Twist it around your finger. It will help you to make a curly tail for your piggy. Take a pencil, make a small little hole at the top of the paper plate and put the pipe cleaner in the hole, and there we have a curly tail. Let's assemble the wolf. Add some glue on the googly eyes and place it in the middle of the brown paper plate. Add glue on the snout. You can add the snout on the left or the right side. It's up to you. Then we take the black nose and we paste it at the front of the snout. Okay, good job, that looks good. Let's paste the ears. Add glue at the bottom, paste it, take the other ear, add glue. We're almost finished with the wolf. Okay, sharp teeth. Add glue at the back of the wolf's teeth and paste it at the bottom of the snout. Take your popsicle stick, add glue at the top and paste it. Excellent job, everybody! Whew. Did you enjoy today's project as much as I did? Let's look at the end result. We made a friendly little piggy and a big bad wolf. Ah! Look! It's a big bad wolf. I'm scared. Ah! I'm coming for you, little piggy. Hey, do you have any ideas? Why don't you let me know and we'll make our next project together. See you again soon. Goodbye.